Hi, I'm Nicolette, and I'm here to help you be, do, and serve with intention. If you are a passionate and purpose driven person in the business of educating, creating, sharing, caring, or problem solving for others, it is my goal to support you in becoming better at what you do by becoming better at who you are. As a doctor of education, a master teacher, leader, wellness trainer, and professional life coach, I have years of study coupled with years of experience that I am always willing and ready to share with other doers and difference makers. I look at life through a lens of service. I truly believe that we are all here blessed with our unique gifts with the task of leaving this world better than we found it through the work that we do and through the relationships that we have with others. I also believe that to do that effectively, it is critical to nourish our most important relationship, and that's the one we have with ourselves. To do what we do well with others, we have to be well within ourselves, in body, in mind, and spirit. To serve the people, passions, projects, and pursuits that we love with the expectation of not simply surviving, but thriving and continuing to grow, we must prioritize our self care and self development. My philosophy revolves around the research backed theories of mindset, mindfulness, motivation, learning theory, behavioral, and cognitive psychology. And if you are interested in finding out more about how applying those ideas in practical and actionable ways that will enhance your life and livelihood, then join me each week by subscribing to this channel. Let's get back to better together.